Savings plans are a new pricing model that can reduce the costs of pay-as-you-go instances by up to 76%. This pricing model offers a lower price for pay-as-you-go ECS and ECI instances. Savings plans do not have any limits on the regions, instance families, sizes, or operating systems of instances. Savings plans make it simple and efficient for you to deploy your business while further reducing usage costs. The savings plans provide discounts to different levels for pay-as-you-go instances. In exchange, you need to promise to use a specific amount of resources, measured in US dollars per hour, for a 1-year or 3-year period. The specific discount details can be viewed on the savings plan's order page. The billing discount can be used to offset the costs of computing power, bandwidth, images, and disks at the same time, depending on the subscription period and billing method. If the customer has an existing instance, the system can use the Recommended tab to recommend reasonable savings plans commitment value based on the customer input. If no ECS instance is available, select the most conservative commitment value based on the actual usage of the business. Commitment to the amount is not enough and may subsequently overlay. After confirming the committed amount, enter the purchase process by clicking on Buy Now. General purpose instances do not have regions or specification families. You only need to select the committed hourly value, all upfront or semi-upfront, and the commitment duration. All upfront savings amount greater than semi-upfront savings amount. 3-year savings amount greater than 1-year savings amount. ECS each computation type has a geographical restriction and the overall discount is stronger than that of the general computation type. Customers are required to determine the areas required for their business. We recommend that you focus on businesses and avoid cross-region deployment. Select the specification family, which is currently divided into package types. For example, the 6th generation x86 computing package, and a single specification family. When the purchase plan is selected, the plan can be applied to all the instance specification families in the package. We recommend that you select a package type based on the span that your business requires. For example, you can use a single instance type family to focus on data. After you select the payment option, a savings plan is set to the promised consumption value. The plan uses pay-as-you-go instances only to offset the costs of a running pay-as-you-go instance. Therefore, after you select a savings plan option, if no pay-as-you-go instances are in use, we recommend that you enable pay-as-you-go instances matching the selected savings type immediately. Select a resource savings plan, SLB region, and a computing instance type category. See the pay-as-you-go instances purchase page here. After the instance is enabled, savings plans automatically deduct the cost of the use of the pay-as-you-go instance. If the usage of the instance exceeds the savings plans, the price is charged according to the pay-as-you-go instance list. Similarly, if it is a continuous business increase, it is recommended to overlay the new savings plan. You can view the actual usage of the deduction plan and the instance coverage on the console under the Overview tab. It's important to note that if your business needs to be deployed in multiple regions, the content of your business includes various specification families, and your instance specifications are frequently changed or mostly containerized, you want to further reduce off-premises costs based on the flexibility and convenience of your business. Therefore, cost savings are your optimal choice. If the committed consumption value per hour is uncertain, we recommend that you adopt a conservative approach and increase consumption value based on demand. Note: savings plans need to be used with a pay-as-you-go ECS instance or ECI instance. Visit www.alibabacloud.com/product/ECS-savings-plans today.